This Philips TV, they're having a problem with it turning on. It's power light here. And we wait. So as you can see, it's not turning on within 10-15 seconds. I am going to take it apart and show you what to do next. To repair this TV, or to take the back panel off, whatever you want to call it, you're going to need a size 10 torque screwdriver bit or whatever you have, and take out the screws along the back. I don't think you have to take these screws out. You have to take these two here out. Don't forget about that one and the rest of these as well along the edges. Take them all off. Once you get done, you'll see the inside of your TV. Once you get your back cover off, this is your power supply. That's your main board. And what you're going to be looking for is on top of these round circle things. They're called capacitors. In the video link in the description, you will see a video there that describes how to identify a bad capacitor. As you can clearly see that this thing is leaking out, and this thing here is popped, and that one there is popped. It's got a nice little pointed peak. It should be flat like this one. These two are 220 microfarad, 25 volt. This is 680 microfarad, 50 volt. I think you could probably get away with using a lesser voltage there, but I'm just going to replace it for whatever it has in it. The rest of the circuitry has 25 volts. I'm sure that would be able to handle the same. But I got the capacitor. I'll change it out. And again, they use the same torque screw on the inside, which is not your standard for LCD repair. This is odd. Why she's got rust on here, she's got rust over there, she's got rust down here. I don't know if this TV was stored or what, but we got rust going on. Now I'll have to clean that up before it gets even worse. So change these 3 caps, 4 caps, however many. You got the whole thing apart, you might as well go ahead and change them all. That's a 220 microfarad, 25 volt. This is, I wouldn't really worry about it, but that's a 470 microfarad, 35. And these two guys here are 220 microfarad, 2,200 microfarad, 25 volt. So you got 5 capacitors here that are 2200 microfarad, 25 volt, and there's just a size difference between the two. And you got one here that's 680 microfarad, 50 volt. So if it was me, I'd change them all in a group because they're made by the lovely company called Samwa, and they're notorious for being bad capacitors and a lot of TV sets. So change them out. You see the next video clip, TV will be working. Now with the new capacitors in them, TV comes up much quicker. And there you have it. That's how you fix your Philips TV. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.